All right, so this is a quick walkthrough of how to hide elements in Go High Level. So this is using a custom script here. You can just go and drop the script here. You have to drop it here in the header. One, because you wanted to hide the element. Also, you have to drop the style in here. So this, if you don't have the script and the style here in the header, you may see like a slight delay where it doesn't hide it. So we have both classes in here. Now just save that. In order to have an element hidden, so if we want to hide this button in particular, just click the little gear here. And then you just go over to advanced, and then you have to enter the class in there. The way to do the class is you enter the class we had in the script, and then you just have to do 2 dashes and then the amount of seconds you want it to hide the element for. So say if we did 5 seconds, wanted it 5 seconds, we just do this and do 5. And then you save it. And now we can go preview it, and it should have the button hidden there. So the button is hidden, and we'll give it like 5 seconds. Boom, now it's there. So if we wanted to hide it longer, if we wanted to do it a full minute, just get rid of that. And then we can do 60 seconds. If you want to do 6 minutes, just add on another 0 there for the amount of minutes. But we're just going to remove this and keep that there. Say, for example, we wanted to hide, if you wanted to do it for a whole section or part of a page, then you can as well. Say, for example, if we wanted to hide this section here and all the elements in it, we just click the gear here. Again, go over to advanced, and then we just drop that class there, do dash, and then let's do this for 5 seconds as well. Hit enter, and that will save it, and then we'll have that whole section hidden. So if we just wanted to do, if we wanted to hide the rest of these 2, then we just do the same thing. We can just go to advanced, dash 5, and then we just have to do it for every section here. So we already have it there for the button, and then we do this section here. Then save it, and then we'll want to hide. The footer can stay. We want to hide this button too. Click enter, and then we save it. And then we go to preview. Cool, all those sections are hidden. And then we'll give it 5 seconds. Boom, it's there. So it'll do it as long as you want, but that's just a quick walkthrough of how to hide elements.